Hi. Okay, so bestseller, in the B column, you have TV channels that broadcast. I'm sure you, while even noting down, you people are able to understand what we are doing here. Okay, and I'll just remove the second one. Audience, I'm sure you people have noted it down. In high demand. Now I'll do the sixth one. Everybody has done the sixth one. Sorry, the third one, so that I can erase it. I can erase the third one then. If all of you are done with this. If you have done the third one, you can just raise your hand and let me know. Noted down the third one, you can just raise your hand and let me know. Thank you. Thank you. So I'll just erase this one, the third one, and then you can. So we have the seventh one here. Exhibition. Do I erase the fourth one? Has everybody noted down the fourth one? If you have noted down, please let me know by raising your hand. Yes, thank you, children. There are some children who are reviews. Okay. So just go through these. We still have like 3 left. And then you can decide, like, you can start working on it. So have you done? Should I erase the 5th one? If you have finished the 5th one, let me know. Yes, I can see very few hands raised, but yes, of course. I think so. You must have done the 5th one. Okay. This is A. This is B. And you have to match A with B. Okay. With the correct definition. Veteran actors. Actors in a movie. 11. News channel. Okay, have you done the 6th one? Then I can erase and I can write the 12th one. If you're done with the 6th one, please let me know. How many of you have done with the 6th one? Very few hands raised. Let me. This is the last one, and then we can start with the matching. Interval. Okay, so here we are. We are done with this. Now we can start working on it. Okay, so we have like exhibition, and against it it's written a collection of songs. Protagonist, people who attending a show, art, display, or event. Reviews, a pause in between parts in a movie or play. Who are veteran actors? Actors in a movie. What is news channel? The main character in the story. What is interval? A group of musicians. So now you have 12 on inside A and 12 on B. So you can just work on it, and I'm sure you'll be able to find all the right answers. Okay? I'm very sure. Start looking for the right answers. I'll give you like 5 minutes and then we can start working on it. Okay? Let's work. Has anyone done the first one? Album? What's an album or album? Okay? Out of the answers, which do you think is a correct answer for album? What's a music album? No one? I don't believe this because you must be very fond of different albums. Like, your favorite singer's album when it is out, what is it? Yes, I can see your hand raised in Euler. Please come forward. Please, Victor. A collection of songs. Very good. Very good. So it is a collection of songs. Album, collection of songs. Okay. Earlier we used to have a new album that would be the collection of songs in a cassette or CD. Now it's on the platform, the multimedia platform, Spotify or Amazon. So they release their album through that. Okay. So see how times have changed, but our taste, we still enjoy all these things. So it is basically like one singer singing all the songs and putting it together in one single thing. That's called an album. Next, audience. Who's an audience? Who is audience? You will find the answer here. You will find the answer in these. Who is audience? Have you ever been? Yes, I can see your hand raised. Euclids. Middle row, first bench. Aja beta. Who's an audience?
People attending an event.
Very good. People attending a show, art display, or event. So they are the audience. Okay. So when you go, like, you're attending a show, live performance, then you are an audience. When you go to the movie, then you're not an audience. Okay. You people who are your movie goers, you go and watch movie, but you're not an audience. But when you go to watch your Starcast live, you go to watch a band, you go to watch an event, then you are the audience. A play or something like that. Next, applause. Applause. I'll give you a hint here. He deserves a huge round of applause. I'm giving you, yes, Archimedes, I can see a hand raised. Please come out. A huge round of applause. I gave you a hint.
Praise shown by clapping.
Excellent. When you praise someone by clapping, that is called applause. Okay. So this should be a very, often spoken word in your vocabulary. So here, she deserves a huge round of applause. Or she was like, everybody gave her a standing ovation, a huge round of applause, like something like that. Okay. So here, next one, band. Band, you will find, I think so, the answer here. Yeah, you will find the answer in these. Yes, Brahmagupta, middle row, please come. The girl sitting there. Which is your favorite band? A group of musicians. A group of musicians. Okay, that's a band. Do you follow any band? Any band you people like? Okay. Anyone who likes any particular band? That's your favorite? Or do you know the name of any famous bands till date? Any famous band? Okay. Find out. That's your homework. Find out about a famous band. Okay. Yes. We have like lots of bands working here. Do you have a school band? Do you have like musicians? Do you have a school band? No? Okay. Next one. Bestseller. Bestseller. As the word suggests, what do you think will be a bestseller? Yes, again in Brahmagupta, I can see a hand raised. Please come forward. Next answer I want from Archimedes. That's a challenge accepted.
That is selling. That is finding one.
Could you please repeat the answer?
A book or album that is selling that is finding one.
Very good. So we always say it is like, it is made to the top of the chart. So bestseller is either a book or a music album which is being like, in high demand, and everybody is seeking it. Everybody wants to buy it. So that is the bestseller. So we say, oh, it became a bestseller, and for 10 weeks it was at the top of the chart, like, number one seller. So books and music albums, that's it. It can be a single new song, or it can be the whole album. Okay, they hit. Next, cast. Who is a cast? Cast क्या होता है? Okay. Answer is here. Answer is here. Cast. The cast in a movie, the cast of a play, the cast of a movie, all the actors, when you put them together, they become cast. Okay? That's why we say casting directors, people who think these people are fit for the role. So what is a cast? Here. Yes, very good. Eula, I can see her hand raised. Please come forward. Yes, cast. Yes? Could you repeat, beta? I'm unable to hear you. Could you repeat? Sorry, bacha, I'm sorry, I can't understand what you're saying because your voice is getting lost in between. But very good, very good. Actors in a movie. So that is a cast. Okay. So what is the star cast? Whenever, like, when I go to watch a movie, sometimes I'm like, okay, let me see the star cast. If it's a good star cast, then I'll go. If it's like not a very good star cast, I'm not interested, kind of. Many people do that. Okay. So the cast in a movie or a play. Okay. So here, next one. Next one is exhibition. This I'm sure you people know. What is an exhibition? Okay. You must have attended a few. Okay. I'm sure even in school you might have had. Fermat, I can see a hand raised. Please come out. Fermat on my right. Yes. The girl sitting by the wall. Okay, sweetheart. So what is an exhibition?
Displays or shown of art.
People? Could you repeat, beta?
Displays or shown of art.
Yes. Display or show. Often of art. Okay, that is an exhibition. When it is things are put on display, like, you will go and watch. Once I really was lucky. I was in, like, I was in States, and if you know about the pyramids, how many of you know about the pyramids? Very good. Have you heard about the pyramids of Egypt? Okay, so there was this, like, 5,000 years ago. Yes, very good. That child is waving. Yes, please come forward. Tell us a little. You can share what you know with everyone. So these pyramids, like, there was this King Tut, and his name was actually Tutankhamun, and his whole display was there in a museum. And I got the chance to see that. I was really overwhelmed. And I'm seeing something that was there 6,000 years ago. Probably more, 5 or 6,000 years ago. And everything was on display. Okay. Even his coffin, his jewelry, his shoes, the boat which he used, everything. It was like his necklaces and his crown and everything. Okay. It was really his clothes and even a jar of honey. Okay. So you should go and search it and read about him. It's really interesting. Yes, next is, what is protagonist? Protagonist. You will find, I think so, the answer here. Yes, the answer is right here. Protagonist. If Anyone who gives me this answer, you will need a huge round of applause. We'll all give you a huge round. So just think about it. What is a protagonist? You have a story or you have a movie. The person who plays the most important role or around whom the whole story moves. That person. Yes, yes. Euclides, please, middle row, first bench. Aajo jaldi jaldi, fatafat.
The main character in the story.
Excellent. The main character in the story. Everybody, give him a clap. Huge round of applause for him. Yes, that's very nice. Yes. So here you are. Okay, and जो villain होता है उसको हम antagonist बोलते हैं. Antagonist. Okay. He is protagonist, and antagonist. And you should know because you will be writing stories in class 9 and you should know these words. Okay. So very important, protagonist and antagonist. And don't ever think कि याद नहीं रहेंगे अच्छे से. Reviews. Movie reviews. Yes, I can see Euler. Please come forward. Euler, on my left. On my left, a girl who raised her hand. आजा बेटा. Aisle seat वाली जो है. Yes, बच्चे. Review. What?
Opinion about the movie.
Very good. Reviews are opinion about a book or a movie. Okay, book reviews, movie reviews. You know, I normally make my children even write book reviews. I ask them to read a book and I ask them to write reviews. I make them watch a movie and I make them give book reviews. And you know how you give? You rate everything, the acting or the characters, the storyline, the plot. Okay. Then how was like when they watch a movie, the music, the direction, everything. So you get so much awareness about it. Okay, and next time when you'll watch a movie, you will see every single thing. Okay, how was the acting? How was the storyline? How was the direction? How was everything in that movie? So it's very important. Next, veteran actors. Veteran actors. Do you think who are veteran actors? Veteran actors. Okay, Euler, the same girl. Oh, here also, Brahmagupta, middle row. Please come out. Veteran actors. Again, no? Who are veteran actors? Very seasoned and experienced actors. Like, you know, we can say like Amitabh is a veteran actor. Even like, you know, a lot of people, they are veteran means they are very seasoned. They have acted in so many movies that they are seasoned and very experienced. So we, with this veteran word, we also use with one more, like, you know, war veterans. We use with war, like, you know, our army personnel, people who are in the army. So when they retire, we call them war veterans. When they have taken part in a war, okay, so they become war veterans. And we really have a lot of respect for these people. So this word can be used for anyone who's like really experienced and seasoned. Okay, so we tell them they are the veterans. Yes, news channel. News channel. News channel. Everybody knows the news channel. What is the news channel? Yes, Brahmagupta, middle row. The girl who has raised her hand, please come. News channel. Brahmagupta, middle row. The girl who has raised her hand, aajo beta. News channel. Very good. TV channel that broadcasts current events. Okay. हमारे यहाँ पे कितने सारे हैं? Lot of news channels. I don't know which one you. PTC Punjabi. I'm sure everybody follows that. So there is. And the last one is interval. Interval. किसी ने नहीं बोलना interval. Wrong pronunciation. It's interval. Okay. So interval is a pause in between parts in a movie or play. Intermission or intervals. Okay. So here we are. We will continue. I'm sure you will get this. I request the teachers to give them this sheet so that in the next class we can do the rest of the work. Thank you very much. I think so. It's time to close this class right now. Okay. Thank you very much.